This video would be super helpful for any product professional like a product manager or a product designer who would like to use AI for their day-to-day tasks. Stay tuned. First point, that is ideation tasks. Product professionals can take help of any LLM model like ChatGPT, Bard, Gemini, Perplexity, and they can create tons of ideas for your products. You just need to give a simple prompt and ask for ideas surrounding your product or business case. And these LLM model like GPT can just throw you ideas around it. Now, many of us already know about this, but what's next? So once you have these ideas, you can also ask AI to evaluate these ideas based on any business framework like SWOT, PISTOL, VUCA, or any other. And this can help you to make better decisions for business. Now, some researchers say that AI can build good ideas, but of very similar type. And if you want more variety of ideas, then studies suggest to use human brains and discuss things on a whiteboard like old-fashioned ways. However, AI can still lay a very good foundation for initial ideation discussions. And it is also a great tool for primary basic idea analysis. Number two, then comes user research. This one is super fascinating and you will ask why. Well, with AI, it has become very simple to create synthetic user personas. Yes, you heard it right, synthetic users. This means that AI can create fictional personas for your product or business case. And that too, as many as you want in numbers, 40, 100, whatever. Then you can give them your product related questionnaire or your user interview questions, and it will prepare you synthetic persona data. By the way, these interview questionnaires can also be created by GPT, but then the quality of data for your specific product case might decrease. Simple logic, yeah, shit in, shit out. You may also ask AI to analyze this data for you, and it can create a table. Again, you can use a simple text prompt. For example, you can prompt GPT to prepare the most prioritized list of features from user interviews, yeah, which it had already created in the last step. This data is great for creating an early idea for your business or formulating a hypothesis for your product. However, don't mistake of supplementing these synthetic user data with actual user data from real people, because real thing is real in the end. This method is only a quick, dirty way of getting data for super initial stages, right? Especially when you are low at resources, still want to formulate a quick hypothesis at a very early stage of your product. Third is operational tasks. PMs can request ChatGPT to create a PRD document. PRD is product requirement document, a super important doc for product teams because it outlines the product's purpose, features, functionality, technical requirements, dependencies, and several other things. Coming back, GPT can also suggest you which key factors could be the North Star matrix for your product success. You can also upload your related data onto GPT and prompt it anything like create a list of which country to start with your product launch, or simply create a GTM or a go-to-market strategy. Several things can be done. So this lightens up some amount of operational tasks, especially for PMs and managers. However, we would like you to request to not use sensitive data from your company, as this might lead to data leaks and jeopardize the sensitive data of your company. Moving on. Fourth, you can text prompt AI tools to create prototypes. They are highly susceptible to change and therefore eats up a lot of resource and time. But now we can create text to UI with AI tools like use Galileo.ai, Wizard.io, Framer.io, BuzzyBuzz, and several more. And don't worry, because as always, we will add the links in the description for you. so that you can play around with these tools later. Fifth point is product analysis. Now, you can command AI to do business analysis for your products and help you make decisions and also build a strategy for the future for your products. Irrespective of where you are getting stuck in your product journey, whether it be sales, pricing, marketing, strategy, you can simply provide key information or data to GPT or any LLM tool for that matter and request to generate a pestle analysis or a SWOT analysis or a VUCA analysis. This is helpful for facilitating faster discussions between stakeholders because it does a pre-work by preparing these frameworks. However, I believe that humans are very process driven, and if AI does things fast for them, they tend to trust the results less because it's too fast for many people to process the processes which is created by AI. Sixth point is product forecasting and prediction. Now, because AI runs on data, and this is one of the biggest strength of AI, you can provide your product data to GPT and ask it for whatever you want to predict for future, and it will do so for you. For example, based on the data of last 3 quarters, how much sales can we expect in the fourth quarter, and so on. Again, please be careful on using these sensitive data of your own and your company, as this data that you feed could be used for training the LLM models of the GPT, which could lead to exposure of sensitive data to the public. So definitely be careful with this one. Seventh is testing and bug fixing. There are some tools like Jam GPT that can be used by PMs to identify bugs and even to fix them. Or now we have Devin, which can debug the code itself. I still haven't tried Devin myself, but from promos, I found it very interesting. And I think it's something important to watch out for in future. Number 8 is user behavior research. Once the product is successfully launched, and if you're looking into improving or adding new features to it, then Mixpanel can be an interesting tool for you because Mixpanel can track user engagement and show patterns of user behavior. It has a cool feature called Spark that enables PMs to chat with their data, receive immediate insights, and ask questions in plain English. Cool, right? Last comes customer care. Now, AI applications can handle customer inquiries and do auto ticketing. There are very interesting tools like tools from Zendesk that are very good example of this. They save a lot of time for product professionals. These tools significantly save time for product professionals by streamlining customer interactions and support tasks. For instance, Zendesk's AI-powered chatbot can address common customer queries, suggest relevant help center articles to them, and even provide automated responses, reducing the burden on support agents and allowing them to focus on more complex issues. Additionally, Zendesk's AI capabilities enable personalized interaction with customers, improve response times, and enhance overall customer satisfaction. Well, by leveraging AI in business, we can optimize many operations, boost productivity, and deliver superior customer experience. And all of that while saving valuable time for product professionals which are involved in building it. So that's it. All the links will be in the description, so don't forget to check them out. And if you have any doubts or feedback, feel free to write them in the comment section below. For more such videos on product management or AI, you can click on one of our next videos. Till then, that's Gaurav signing off.